How to download Summertime Saga on iOS or Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to download Summertime Saga on iOS or Android devices. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. You need to know that in order to download Summertime Saga on iOS or Android, you have to simply go to the official website of the game or other trusted sources, because right now it is not available on the official Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Simply when you open it as well as search for Summertime Saga, you won't see any kind of game available on the section. Simply exit from here and open any web browser on your device or trusted sources. Open the official Summertime Saga website. You can search for Summertime, or you can visit summertimesaga.com from your mobile browser. And after that, you need to choose or scroll down and find the APK file. So let's open any website here. Here is the download button. Simply you have to click the download button in order to get the APK file. But you need to know that before installing, you will need to enable installation from unknown sources. To do that, you can open settings and go to security and toggle on unknown sources. So once the downloaded or APK file has been downloaded, you need to install the APK file. After the installation, you can open Summertime Saga from your app drawer. So downloading for iOS is the same. You need to go to summertimesaga.com from your mobile browser and choose the iOS download option. To install apps outside of the App Store, you can use the apps like AltStore or Cydia Impactor, and download and install the AltStore or Cydia Impactor on your computer. You can connect your iPhone to your computer and sideload the IPA file. And after that, you need to trust the developer and launch the game on your iOS devices as well. You need to know that Summertime Saga is a mature themed game, so make sure to download it from the trusted sources to avoid malware or harmful files. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.